Hey Tara. So there's some extra problems for chapter 7. So I'm just giving you a couple examples to go through. So if I'm given the point 0, 5, and 340, create your x and y table. So my initial value here is 0 and y is 5. Then we can go 1, 2, 3, and 40. So I don't know what these two values are. So for your exponential, b is your growth rate and a is your initial. So my initial value when x is 0 is 5. So to find your exponent, we are saying a, which is 5, times b, and this 3 power comes from me going from my initial and what's given. So moving down 1, 2, 3, b is to the third, and my value there is 40. So now let's solve for b. Divide both sides by b. So b to the third is equal to 8. So I need to get rid of this third power. So you can either multiply, because you could say b to the third times 1/3 is equal to b to the first, so that cancels it out. Or you can take the cube root of that. So this cancels, and the cube root of 8 is 2. So now all you do is plug those values in. So your a is 5, your b is 2, and you have your exponent. So that one's nice because it gives us our initial value here. So next, I have -2 and 54, 3 and 2 over 9. So in my table, I have -2, 54, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. So I don't know what my 0 term or my a is here, so I have to find that. So this one's harder. So take what you're given. So I can say 54, because that comes from my y. B to the 5th equals 2 over 9. So this b to the 5th comes from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times going down to find your next value. So now I need to get rid of the 54 to solve for b. So divide both sides by 54. And if we have 2 over 9 divided by 54, that's the same as saying 1 over 54. So I just did this in my calculator, and you should get 0.004. Again, I need to get rid of this fifth root, so b to the 5th, you say times 1 over 5, which is b to the first, which is b, or I took the 5th root here. So in your calculator, you can enter it as 0.004 to the power of 1 divided by 5, which gives you 0.33, or you could go math. This is the 5th root of 0.004. Shoot, sorry, Tara. Okay, 0.004, and then you go math. And then you should be able to type in a 5 here. I don't know why that's not working. Anyways, you can just enter it like 1 over 5. That's the same thing. I don't know what's up with this. Oh, you have to go 5 and then math, 5th root, and then 0.004. And that gives you the same thing. So once you do that, we need to get rid of that, so we get 0.33 is our b value. So what that's telling you is from here to here, you're multiplying by 0.33. Here to here, multiply by 0.3, etc., all the way down to here. Or we could take 2 over 9 and divide by 0.3 and work backwards. So we need to find our initial at 0. So to do that, we get y equals 5.88 times 0.33 to the power of x.